After the complaint went from Thomas Tavares, everything. No, I got all the documents. I asked them the right to information. See, stop order. This is a village panchayat of Aldona, where Ashwin, based on the complaint by Thomas Tavares and people of Carona, and also
this is also based of Thomas Tavares, so he himself has
no, on his himself. Who the Sarpanch himself.
Means this stop order he himself has.
He himself is.
So before you complaining, he has himself removed a stop order notice.
Yes, absolutely. Say the stop notice is here, no?
So,
and that was removed when on 20th, 26/5/2023.
So after 1 year, the people had approached you, or before they have approached you?
No, immediately we went there when that was going on. We took a bite, everything there. No, the people came, we took a bite. And so I to Mukarata, just hop, step and jump. You can see the whole thing.
So but आता आयज आमी जेन्ना थंय गेल्ले तेन्ना तुमी गेल्ले तेन्ना लास्ट इयर आनी आतां पळयत जाल्यार कन्स्ट्रक्शन खूब
fully completed. That's a shocking and a disgusting way. All illegal construction under Sarpanch, who's the Congress Sarpanch, who's the Congress president of Congress block, and the present MLA who's there, now the advocate Carlos. How could he encourage all this till today? And it's complete today in 2025. Where is he? He's talking about when he came, he would never any illegalities. The illegal constructions, जाऊन ते शेतान जाऊन ते दोंगर फॉरेस्टार सगळे कन्वर्ट करून चेंज झोन करून त्यांना ते मेस करून सोडला के काय करून ना ताणे.
How come in 1 year no authorities have taken any action?
I really can't understand.
Is there any influence going on?
I really don't. That appears to be who's supporting him, who's giving him all the backing.
So तुमचा स्टँड किती असतो त्याचे?
No, my stand, I'm going to take this. I have taken it very seriously, and I ensure I will go all out, and I will leave no stone unturned to make sure that all this illegality construction which is coming up. And as I've done last 10 years, I'll make sure that once I'm back on my chair, and definitely the people are going to get me elected because people are frustrated. People are not talking, they're silent. They're not talking, they're silent because immediately phone atale, dhamki datale, ye kotale, that kotale, even the officers, all that, and once that I'll ensure that I totally raise this to the ground.
बट द प्रेझंट MLA आसा पळय तेंच्यांनी 4 दीस पयलीं स्टेटमेंट बी केला की ते खंय तरी डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क करूंक वयतात थंय तुमी प्रेशरायज करता ऑफिसांक आनी तुमी काम स्टॉप करता म्हणून आनी तांकां काम करपाक त्रास जाता सो तेंच्यांनी तुमचेर एलिगेशनूय केलां.
अरे तो आनी कितें करतलो 3000 कांयच करूंक ना सांगलें फक्त तो म्हणटा आय एम फुलींग पीपल ही इज द वन इज द फुलींग पीपल लोकांक खबर आसा वर्सां आमी कितें केलां पळय तें कितले आमी कामां केली 10 years back and especially during 5 years आमी कितें काम केलें when all the issues were there like COVID is that ती भरपूर कामां केल्ली आमी नाल्ल फोडले आमी नाल्लाच्या परत नाल्ल फोडून आयलो एन्ड लोकांक खबर आसा कोण कॉल करता हिच्या डिपार्टमेंटान कोण काम हाडयता म्हजो कॉल वेतात कित्याक लोक कंटिन्यूस कॉल करतात मॉर्निंग टू नायट आय कॉल अप द डिपार्टमेंट गव्हर्मेंट डोंट डू इट बुलडोजर तितलो कोणाक मागता हांव लोकांक करता लोकांक त्रास जाता दूख लागता ताका ते पडलेले ना.
म्हणजे तुम्ही तेजेर काउंटर एलिगेशन करता की ते तुमकां काम करूंक दिना आनी ते काम करिना.
How? I'm an ex-MLA. Told म्हणटा मरे I'm an ex-MLA. Then like to talk about ex-MLA, but he's talking. If you like laughing, I will laugh. No, let the people know he's fooling the people. He made some statement. I'm fooling the people. Why should I fool the people now? I'm not frustrated. I'm not frustrated. Become an MLA. When I was an MLA, I have not done destruction. When I was an MLA for the last 10 years, I told him no. I don't come on record. Show me what illegal is in any respect, anything. ग्लॅन तितल्यान कितें रॉंग केला कितें इलिगल केला कोणाक त्रासान घातला कोणाक धमकी दिता म्हाका दाखय सी हांव येवंक ना हांव आयला पॉलिटिक्सान सेवा करपाक आमच्या मतदारांक फुडें वचपाक गोंय सांबाळपाक दॅट्स वॉट आय बीन डुईंग आय बीन डन इट एंड टुडे पीपल आर अवेअर ऑफ इट दे नो द डिफरन्स दॅट टायम एंड टुडे एक म्हणप आसा न्हू वेन यू द वेल गोज ड्राय यू नो द वेल ऑफ द वेल नाव पीपल हॅव रियलायज दॅट मे बी दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग दे बीट स्कॅर्ड बिकॉज revenge politics. See, we are straight people. We don't do any illegalities. We don't, आम्ही कोणाक धमकी दिना कोणाक हें करना केन्ना कोणी येयचो ऑफिसान एंड वी डोंट डू कॉम्प्रोमायजीस कॉम्प्रोमायज आमी करिना कॉम्प्रोमायज कोण करपी मनीस आयज सगळ्यांक गमलेले आसा गोंयभर जगभर द ग्लोबली पीपल नो who's a good compromiser and who's a good settler. People have come to know today this.
तर तुम्ही अशें एलिगेशन आतां केलां की इतके आल्दोनान आतां मडको चालू आसा की तितून डायरेक्ट MLAचो हात आसा म्हणजे तेचे मनीस इनवॉल्ड आहा म्हणून
100%. 100%. I mean, they charge on it. Again, they म्हणलेलें पयलें that I won't do anything. I will eliminate everything. All these, they won't any illegalities. I will support the people, not respect. He's totally is involved. His team is involved. His management, his own team is involved. His own people are involved in the whole thing. You can see it, no? And the best उलोवपाचें ना कित्याक आमकां सोयना ते फॉडसे मारपाक तो मारता पळय तशी. It's very very clear, very very evident that they are involved in all this and people is all over.
So how you will act to remove all these illegalities?
I will take all the legal, whatever should be done legally through my government. See, government is ours. Bharatiya Janata Party, Dr. Pramod is there. He is doing a fantastic job. I have already raised these issues of all this. There are so many things that are not happening. Even regarding the today, in fact, he made a statement 4-5 days back that I made a letter. Based on that letter, there is no order. You don't need a letter. See, people in touch with me. I have spoken to my honorable CM regarding. See, today who's the PWD minister? Who's holding the portfolio? Dr. Pramod Sawant. Who's the finance minister? Dr. Pramod Sawant. So who I am going to interact? Being a party person, being ex-MLA, and being a close connect, I am in constant touch with CM. I call him up. I meet him personally and tell him, Dr. Rochache, Mashita is logging tras. And he's been very, very cooperative. And all this approval that is done today in 3 constituencies, including Aldona, okay? Because people are constantly calling me, telling me I will put a letter so that pause thank long when April end, May, this thing, so all this thing, roads have to be patched up, which is done, which he only got it done that time. He should have ensured that he does both the estimates and get things done. I would have done it if I was an MLA. He had not done it, so all that. So obviously, no. So my letter went there. As since people say, I only put a letter, so what is wrong in the letter that I put? So simple. And same as done, and that's the cabinet approval, the second place. It is not gone under instruction of any MLA of the 3 constituencies. Their MLAs have pulled himself under cabinet approval has been taken and has got the things done.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.